Hello everyone, Mar here from GuideWise, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your profile on iMessage. If this guide helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open up Messages and we're going to tap on Edit on the left. Then you're going to tap on Set up Name and Photo. So you have different options here. The first one is to add a photo of yourself. That is a cute option that you have. Of course, Apple is going to recommend some pictures that you maybe took before, or you can go to your photos and simply go to your photo library right here and pick your favorite selfie. Now you can also use a Memoji, which is pretty much like your own avatar for Apple. So I'm gonna go ahead and see which one I like. I really like the one that actually blows a kiss. So I'm gonna select that one and I'm gonna tap next. All right, now I'm gonna change the background. I don't like this purple color, so I'm gonna tap right here and I'm gonna select pink and I'm gonna tap on choose. Now at the bottom, this is really important. You're gonna turn on the option of name and photo sharing, and then you can pick the name that you want to appear. In this case, I'm gonna put my nickname and then my last. And then if you wanna share it automatically, you can do that by tapping here, or you can select contacts only. I'm gonna say always ask before sharing, so I am sure that I want to share with someone, but you can pick contacts only. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on the check mark right here on the right. I have two posters, so pick the color that you want or the one that you just created. I want the pink one, and that's it. Now you created your profile for iMessage. I hope this helped.